Greetings from the road. I'm at Hardcore 4x4 getting some airbags done. And I walked over here and this guy's got this 65 bug for sale. He's going to tell you about it. He's working on it here. What's your name?
It's Ronnie.
Okay, Ronnie. And what's your phone number if anybody's interested?
559-553-2867.
Okay, and let's repeat that.
559-553-2867.
Okay, now tell me, how long have you had this bug for?
I have this bug for over 20 years already.
Really? Wow. Okay. And what have you done to it since you've had it?
This bug's been through a lot of motors. This bug is right here at Century right now. It's got a brand new motor. It's got a brand new transmission. It's got brakes all the way around. It needs tires. It's kind of got a new paint job, as you can see.
Okay.
The inside needs to be done.
All right. Is it an original interior or like an older restoration?
That's like an older material.
Okay.
Actually, there's really no material in there, but I do have the seats that goes with this Volkswagen.
You got different seats.
Yeah, those are way different seats.
Okay, and let's look at the motor. What motor do you have in here? You said
That's a 1641.
Okay.
Brand new with no miles.
Okay, and you threw that in there. And I'm not going to tell folks what you're asking. They have to call you. It's got a clean title.
It's got a very clean title.
Okay.
She's registered, insured.
Okay. And again, what's the number folks can reach you at?
559-553-2867.
Okay, give him a call. He's asking a real reasonable price, I think, but you have to call him to find out. That's it. I'm in Visalia, California, which is, what, about 70 miles north of Bakersfield?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice guy here. Give him a holler. Greetings from the road. This is Freighter Jim. Got a lowered bag, deep sump VW custom bug I brought down from Ohio. This thing settled down, so it was sitting on my deck when all the air went out, which is not really ideal for the vehicle. So, but it made it down here safely. Okay, brought a jump pack, got it aired up. He's going to drive away. Take a video here. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. It's beautiful here in Florida. We'll probably get up to mid-70s in Orlando. Oh, you can be in the video. I don't care. There he goes. So from here I go see Will and Jill in Melbourne, and then it's off to drop off another VW down in Naples, and then pick up a couple of A's in South Florida. And those go to Raynor, Tennessee. And then it's down to see Herb in the telescoping apartment camper down in Destin, and take that with the Shriners Parade card up to the Volo Auto Museum. That'll be interesting. I'm going to spend at least a day there walking around with, I don't know if I'll get Greg as my guide or not, but it'll be an interesting day. We're good over here. Okay, remember, drive safe, arrive alive. This is Freighter Jim, Orlando, Florida. Pretty day.